Bitcoin miner Hive is using old Ethereum rigs and AI to make ordinal art, is an article that explores how the Bitcoin mining company Hive is leveraging outdated Ethereum mining rigs and artificial intelligence, AI, to produce a unique form of art known as ordinal art. Hive, primarily known for its Bitcoin mining operations, has diversified its activities by incorporating Ethereum mining capabilities. Rather than discarding their old Ethereum mining rigs, Hive has found a creative solution to repurpose them and give them a new lease on life. The article highlights that Hive's approach involves utilizing AI technology to transform these obsolete mining rigs into artistic masterpieces. By employing sophisticated AI algorithms, Hive's system analyzes the visual attributes and distinct characteristics of the old rigs. Based on this analysis, the AI generates original artwork that incorporates the technical specifications and unique features of the original devices. Ordinal art, as mentioned in the article, is a form of art that relies on AI algorithms to create visually captivating pieces. In the case of Hive's initiative, the AI algorithm takes into account the intricate details and design elements of the Ethereum mining rigs to produce visually stunning artworks. By repurposing these outdated devices for artistic endeavors, Hive aims to extend the lifespan of their mining equipment and foster sustainability in the cryptocurrency industry. Moreover, this creative approach adds value to the devices that would otherwise be considered obsolete, transforming them into objects of artistic and aesthetic appeal. Hive's project not only showcases the convergence of technology and art but also raises awareness about the potential for recycling and repurposing within the mining sector. Through their innovative use of AI and commitment to sustainability, Hive sets an example for the industry, encouraging other companies to explore creative alternatives for obsolete hardware. In conclusion, Bitcoin miner Hive is using old Ethereum rigs and AI to make ordinal art, delves into Hive's innovative approach to repurposing outdated Ethereum mining rigs and transforming them into captivating artworks using AI technology. By combining technological ingenuity and artistic expression, Hive not only breathes new life into old devices but also contributes to sustainability efforts within the cryptocurrency mining industry.